Introducing the next generation tractors. MF375 and MF385, 2025 models. Upgraded, powerful, and built for superior performance. Say goodbye to frequent battery maintenance. The new MF375 and MF385, 2025 models feature a maintenance-free battery for uninterrupted performance. The improved water cap enhances engine cooling efficiency, preventing leaks and ensuring long-term reliability. A redesigned fuel cap provides a secure fit, preventing spillage and protecting fuel integrity. Stay connected on the go. A convenient mobile pouch and USB charger ensure your devices are powered up anytime. Work with ease. A bigger, flatter platform improves accessibility and comfort during long hours in the field. Added safety and convenience. The new Mudguard handle provides extra support for easy mounting and dismounting. Enhanced security with new larger bonnet locks, keeping your engine components safe and easily accessible. Keep your tractor cleaner. New Tyres Mudguards minimize mud splashes, ensuring better protection and durability. Improved safety and visibility with newly installed rear mirrors, giving you better control on the field. The future of farming is here. Experience the all-new MF375 and MF385, 2025 models today. Contact us now for more details.